I have actually used this method to create a lot of interesting app that I'm using on a daily. So on this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to use your simple phone, your simple smartphone to create any application of your choice. If you can be able to imagine it, then you can be able to create the app using this method I'm about to share with you right here on this particular video. And guess what? It is totally free. You do not need any subscription. And all you have to do right now is to simply watch this video till the end to understand every single thing that you need to apply for you to be able to create an app that will do anything you want it to do, completely free of charge. Like I said, you don't need any coding experience, you don't need to have any formal knowledge about how to program or whatsoever. You simply tell the app, you will be like, create an app that will pay me $20 million every single day, and it is simply created for you. And but I'm kidding, it won't pay you $20 million. I'm just kidding. But let me show you guys examples of apps that I have already created using this method. First of all, these are what I've created right here. This one is called airdrop radar. It is called airdrop radar, and what it basically does is that it finds for me airdrop opportunities where I can, participate on important airdrop, and at the end of the day, I'm going to be getting rewarded. For example, right now I can even search. I created this page you are seeing right here. I created it myself. So for example, right here, this is the monad airdrop. It will tell you the tier it's currently on. It will tell you whether it's testnet or not. It will tell you the cost to participate on the airdrop, and when you click on it, it will tell you all you need to do. It will give you the guideline, and it will even remind you to be able to do it. Now, without wasting time, let me show you guys the second one. It's absolutely mind-blowing. So this is the second one right here. It is called meme guard. What it basically does is that it finds trading opportunities for me. It analyzes a crypto meme coin and tell me if it is safe to buy or not. And guess what? I also created this completely free of charge using this method I'm about to share with you right now. For example, let me show you something real quick. So let me come over here to desk screener. This is desk screener where you see every single thing concerning any meme coin. For example, let me just choose any meme coin randomly. Let me choose this one called Fefe. Let me click on it. Let me check it out. So this is Fefe. I will simply scroll down right now. I will get the Fefe contract address. Once I copy the Fefe contract address, I will head over here to this app that I created by myself. Okay, I will simply paste it right there. Okay, I will simply paste the contract address. I will click on edit token. So this is going to be analyzing this meme coin for me, and it will tell me if it is safe to buy, and it will also tell me the risk associated to it. Okay, so it is currently still editing the coin. You can see it's currently analyzing the smart contract and liquidity, and immediately it will give me the full detail of that coin. For example, right here you can see how safety it is. Only 40%, meaning that it is very risky, and it will also tell me the rug probability. You can see 60% rug probability, meaning that this token is very risky. And it will go ahead to tell me a lot of things about the coin, the mint option, the mintable function, blacklist code, blah blah blah. Every single thing it will tell me about this coin, and with this matrix that it has given to me right now, I can easily see or identify if a coin is safe to buy or not. You can see there are a lot of metrics that will give you right here, a lot of detail about any coin of your choice, and it will tell you if the coin is safe to buy or not. Guess what? I created this app right here completely free using this method. So let me not bore you up with all this talk. Let me go straight to the point right now. So the first thing you need to do to start is to head over to this particular website. Okay, you can see this is the address of the website. It is called it is called aistudio.google.com. Go to aistudio.google.com. That is the name of the website where we are going to be creating our app. Okay, so once you get over here right now, what you need to do is very simple. Now I'm going to be leaving the link to the website right on the video description box and also on the comment section. So what you need to do right now is to simply click on these three dots. You need to head over here where we have new app. Listen closely. This is where you build your app. Any imagination that any app that you can imagine, you can create it using this method. So in case you don't know what to create, right now, let me show you how you can be able to find idea on what to create. I will simply head over right now to my ChatGPT. You can use Gemini, you can use Claude, anyone, just it is totally fine. Now I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me 10 app ideas that will help me every single day. So now I've sent the prompt right now. Let's see what we're gonna have right here. So over here, it's since you are interested in crypto, AI, and content creation. Okay, it's now focusing on where I use this ChatGPT every day for daily uses, and it helps me a lot. And now it is now giving me options based on what I am using every day. Okay, so it is giving me option based on crypto, AI, and content creation. Okay, so this is a AI life assistant, remember task appointments, crypto portfolio tracker, AI content planner for YouTube TikTokers. Enter a topic and get videos idea title. Okay, I think this one is important. I will simply copy it like this. Okay, once I copy it, I will then head back right here to the aistudio.google.com. Describe an app, let Gemini do the rest. So we are now going to giving this the prompt that's going to be helping it build an app for us now. Okay, this is what I'm going to be doing. Build this app. Okay, I will put semicolon like this, then I will paste those prompts. Okay, AI content planner, and I'll just go ahead and provide insights on audience retention. And okay, so this is it. It's added the rest, so I will go ahead and send it. I will put this to allow. So this is now building this AI for us. It is building this AI content planner. So this is going to be helping you as a content creator. So it is still analyzing it, and this may take a little while, like 250 seconds or maybe 300 seconds to get this ready. Now listen closely, because it is going to be asking you for the it's going to be asking you for the out layer. Like it's going to be asking you how you want the interface of your app to be, and I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to select it. You can see it's just it's currently previewing it to us, and right now we need to simply select the one we want. You can see it will also choose a name for you, creator OS AI. So this is it. Project topic, future of architecture. It will give you everything. I will check another one, and this is it. Lens AI, workspace, projects, blah blah blah. You just check another one. Just find the one that helps you a lot, and it's going to generate a lot of things for you. Okay, so creator flow AI. Okay, studio lab, aura flow. Okay, okay, there's one I saw earlier. Okay, I think just bear with me. I think it's creator flow AI. I will click on select this design. So it is now generating the app for us. As you can see it right here, it is generating the app for us totally free, no subscription needed, nothing. So it is now generating the app. Just like I said before, this may take up to 200 seconds or maybe 300 seconds for your app to be ready. So I'm going to be posting the app the video right now, and I will continue it when the app is fully generated, and I will also show you how you can be able to publish it. Okay, and right now finally our app is now ready. You can see AI content planner, and this is how it works. Okay, so you can see we have turned any topic into a viral video kit, and what this does right here, it basically tracks it tells you about the video topic you want to create about. Now let's now find out. You can see what we have right here: generate full AI content kit. Okay, I tested 5 underground AI tool for 3 days. Now how you use this app is that you place your title right here. Okay, let's just say what do you want to make a video about. Let's say you want to make a video about how do I even put, what type of video should we create? Okay, let's make a video about how to build a successful YouTube channel. How to build a successful, let's just say TikTok page. Okay, now once I put your topic right there, you can choose okay primary platform. Okay, I'll select TikTok, and of course quick video format or placing targets. Okay, we have a story time, ultra fast hook, quick viral shots. Okay, let's just go with this one. So creator tone, delivery, high energy, blah blah blah, educational and crisp. Okay, now we click on generate full AI content kit. So you can see we just created this app right now, and this app is you can see it's generating what we need. It's going to be telling us everything we need to know about our idea. Okay, you can see we just generated an app called AI Content Planner, and the app is now telling us anything we need to know about any topic we want to talk about. What did I just press? Okay, okay, I'll go back to preview. Okay, so this is it right here. You can see this is the topic right here that we are talking about. Okay, I think I just went back. I went back, right? Okay, I seriously went back. Okay, I will click it again. Okay, now it's synthesizing viral content kit with Gemini 3. Let's see what this is going to give us. I mistakenly pressed the back button. Okay, audience retention in the first 5 seconds, high performance. Okay, so this is what we have right now. How to blow up on TikTok. You can see it's giving us ideas. How to blow up on TikTok. You can see it is now giving us a lot of idea about what we need to talk about. And of course, when you scroll down, you can see algorithm title variation. You can choose to use all this. It's now giving us ideas on how we can be able to create that content. Okay, that's why it is called AI Content Planner. And when you scroll down, you can see 3 high retention in 5 seconds. This is like things you can say in the first 5 seconds. Basically, it's giving you ideas on how you can be successful. Now, what do you need to do from here? What you need to do from here is to publish the app. Okay, we have now created the app. Now it's time for us to publish it. Okay, so this is phone. It is not clear. It is not, there's not enough space to show everything, but let me try this. Okay, let me try this. Let me put this to desktops mode. Okay, it will show us a lot of things that we are not seeing on the normal portrait mode. Okay, we are now on the desktop mode, and here our app is going to be showing you right here. And right here, if you look up right, you can see this publish button up here. That is where you can actually publish your app. So you can see the whole thing is showing right here. And right now, if you are okay with the idea, you can go from here. If you want to edit anything, you can simply chat right here to edit it. So right now, as easy as you have seen it, you can simply publish this app and then you can visit it anytime. It is totally free, completely free of charge. Okay, so if you have any question about this, let me know on the comment section. But before we continue, remember, if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, you might not see us again, so do well to subscribe to the channel so that whenever I make any new updates, when I upload any new video, you will get to know about it immediately. I make content around this. I do my research. I found piece of information that will definitely help you succeed in this crypto space, in this Web3, and succeed in so many ways. All right, so if you're interested on this type of contents, do well to actually subscribe to our YouTube channel, and most importantly, turn on the post notification bell so that whenever I post any new video, you get to know about it immediately. Okay, so over here, when you come over here to my app, you can see this is the app that I just created right now 11 minutes ago. You can see this is the app right here, and I can choose to open it anytime that I want. Okay, so I'm going to be stopping the video right here. Remember, every platform have their own rules and regulation, and do not misuse this idea you have gotten right now, and remember to obey all platform rules. Okay, so I'm going to be making another video. In case you hit any limitation and you want to bypass it, let me know in the comment section. I will tell you how you can be able to bypass any limitation you might face. If you have any question, do it to let me know. I'm going to be stopping the video right now, and I'll be talking to you on the next video that I'm going to be sharing very soon.